Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chevy Tahoe. Stock number is 18C294A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. You have a rear facing entertainment center, and then up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated and cooled seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. Four-wheel drive, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tahoe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.